Good morning, Cherub.
Good morning, Heather. Welcome to my little corner of the world I call home. So in today's video, we are getting ready to go on a trip. We gotta get ready first. And in this vlog, I'm gonna show you how I plan my outfits. We're gonna try on and pack some really cute outfits, so you'll get some outfit inspo. And we're gonna run some little girl errands. This morning, I woke up at 4:30. Just naturally, so I kind of went with it. I did my normal morning routine. I read, meditated, and then I hopped right into it. I filmed 3 videos already. I'm like killing the game, but I want to do a little video on how I do my nails. I'm painting my nails red today just for like a little festive vibe. I know to you it looks like nothing's happened, but I finally finished my nails. They look so cute. So part 1 done. I've got to film, well, clean up and then film so that I can edit. Mr. You are so cute. Oh my god. Could you get any cuter? That's my question. But here's the problem, is that I filmed my podcast in my office and my neighbors are in their bedroom, which is like backed up to my office, so I can hear them talking and it's like I don't really want to have a whole conversation. Okay, for the first time ever, I'm in my car filming the pod. So we're gonna film the little setup here because this has got to be interesting. We brought the laptop, we've got the mic that hopefully won't sound too bad. I didn't bring the headphones, so if this sounds like shite, I won't know. So that's all you need for a podcast, and a camera and a little system. I use Rode Connect because I use a Rode mic. And I've got my little journal full of notes, and if someone's staring, well, that's their problem. How cute do the nails look? Hello and welcome to the Cherub Chats podcast. I'm your host, guardian angel and big sis, Heather Michelle. After all that creating, my house is a mess again, and I just like cleaned it so well yesterday, but I just finished filming the pod, and now I'm about to change out of my cute outfit, which I filmed, into Pilates clothes. But I really want to shoot it, so I think I'm going to pack it up and throw it in the car for after Pilates. Excuse the mess, obviously, like I just said. But this nails with this set, are you freaking kidding me? Super cute, super comfy, nice little tube top, skinny straps, adorable. But I think I want to spice it up and cross the straps. So I'm gonna make it longer and then cross it over my head for a little pizzazz. Cute. Okay, TMI, but I am fucking bad. Whatever, anyways, gotta go. We'll catch you at Pilates. Oh no. So we are en route to said Pilates class. I'm sorry, but I look fucking bitchy. I look like a fucking boss ass bitch. Like something about headband, chunky earrings, these glasses, and like the full red. I feel like, bitch, I hate when people come up right next to me. I just wrapped up Pilates. It was really good. I did feel really weird for having a full face of makeup on, but whatever. Nobody said anything. Now I am going to go drive around looking for a cute place to shoot. I found this tree, like the one pretty tree in Texas. I'm not exaggerating. They just don't like. The first year I came here, I was like, oh my god, fall is so cute here. It's not. It's not. Like, it really doesn't happen like that. But I'm gonna grab the stuff in the trunk and change Luckily for me, I'm wearing a workout set, so like I just need to put this stuff on top of my workout clothes. But I'm feeling really accomplished today. I don't know if you guys saw the last vlog, but I was kind of down on myself. I didn't really get that much done. But today I was on it, okay? I think I pumped out 4 videos, the podcast, I'm filming a YouTube video, and we're gonna get some static content. I'm just on top of it today. Also, there's gardeners in the back, so I have a little audience. So fun. This is like a show. It's a show. Oh, and there's probably people that live in that house over there. This is like right across the house. So there's gonna be a whole show. Love it. My leggings. Super slay. Slay. I really hope we got that. I'm gonna try to take a couple more pictures. Let's see. Okay, this one's about to be a little dangerous because I'm about to leave my phone right here as I cross the street. This is scary. Someone could literally jack my fucking phone or my camera for that matter. We're just gonna prop the camera right here. Catch the chaos.
Oh, you sure? Thank you.
That wasn't embarrassing at all. Cute. I'm gonna be sad. Okay, they're kind of cute. I think we gotta zoom in. Are you Jackie?
I'm Jacqueline, yes.
Hi, I'm Heather. Sorry, I'm vlogging. Do you mind being on the vlog?
I cannot.
Oh, you cannot? Okay, sure. No worries.
No, you can go.
Okay, we're in the spa. We're about to get our facial. Here's the setup. Got the product. Alright, so that was a little bit awkward, babes. So, as you guys saw, I had a little facial, and it was actually put together by my manager. I guess, like, they reached out to my manager, and it was with this it's with this brand Rationale. Where the fuck do I go from here, bro? Libs. Okay, so that was a fun turn of events. I was there to get content for the brand that's hosting facials. But unfortunately the actual person, like the brand rep, wasn't there. So then I had to get a facial with like a Neiman Marcus employee that's not solely Rationale's brand rep. So then I couldn't get any footage because she's like has exclusivity, kind of. I thought of it like that. So yeah, that was a little difficult. I don't know that I'm going to have enough content. Anyways, my skin is glowing. The products ate it up, and like you can see my skin. She said the glow is from the sunscreen, which is beautiful. I need to get my hands on the sunscreen. I guess we're turning in here. Dude, this is a one-way street. Like, what? Dude, I give up. I'm not, no, just get me out of the streets. Like, I'm just not a city girl. Get me out of here, please. I'm scared. I'm scared. Like, the parking, driving, people, like, honestly, just get me out of here. You guys, we have secured the goods. Oh my god. Okay, this box is like absolutely trash, but I don't care because we got some items. Oh my god, they're stunning. I could kiss them. Mwah. Stunning. I tried them on. They fit perfectly. I'm so freaking excited. Alrighty, we're back home. I put on the New Balances. They're so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I did get some packages. First, on the tippy top is a package from Unfiltered. I already opened it, but I didn't see what's in it. Luxe Unfiltered is a self-tan brand, and as you guys know, I am a self-tan girl. I love self-tanning. I feel better when I'm darker. It's just the way of the world. And they wanted to send a couple things. So they sent the Luxe Filtered blending brush, Kabuki. I always use these brushes for like my hands and my feet. We also have the Luxe Unfiltered number 18 Illuminating Beauty Balm in the shade Salty. Ooh, we've got an Origins package. We have the Origins Plant Fusion Hydrating Body Souffle and the Softening Hand and Body Lotion. Slay. Thank you so much, Origin. We've also got L'Occitane. So this is really exciting. I see all the TikTok girlies always using this. L'Occitane cream for your hands, baby. So we're just gonna try that out another time. L'Occitane Immortal Proactive Youth Skincare Emulsion. What? We've also got the Overnight Reset Oil in Serum. Like a mask almost, but oil. I love oil. I'm gonna go shower and get ready in a second. So I've got to film this partnership before we go because, well, the content is due next Friday, but I won't be here all week. And I don't want to bring all the stuff and hope and pray that it works out in California. So, okay, I'm going to try to fit everything into a carry-on and a personal bag. But starting off with what I'm going to wear tomorrow, I just got this jumpsuit. I mean, how freaking cute is this? And it's really comfortable. So we've got two options, the Uggs, the New Balances, which both are really easy to put on. I think that's an important part of this. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the Uggs, also because they're gonna take up the most space. But I just take a picture of my outfit, that way I remember. The next piece I really want to style is this Girlfriend Denim maxi skirt that you guys saw in my last video. I threw on a little white t-shirt. I think this one's gonna be the casual look with New Balances. It would be super. And I think a little bomber jacket. We could either do this little biker jacket or a brown bomber, which this one's a little heavier. I think maybe the black one. My little retro sunnies. Swapped out the skirt for some low-waisted, like straight-wash jeans with the shoes still, and I think it's cute. I think I'm gonna pack this little black sweater and drape it over the shoulder for a cuter little vibe. We could throw it on too, right? I put on a little black skirt and with some loafers, I think it could be a little bit more dressy. How cute with the little Abercrombie cardigan. Super cute with the loafers. I swapped out the white t-shirt for a little black tank, which I also think will be really useful. And I actually swapped out the shoes, the loafers for some New Balances. And I think I want to add like a little fun pop of red. I also want to bring like a little zip up or something. Okay, I cannot find the white zip up. So for now, our placeholder is the black bolero, but I think this would be so much cuter with said jacket. I think we'll just repurpose this jacket and these simple ones because I feel like it's just a lot right now.